From a local Spanish company to a benchmark in the global micronutrient specialty fertilizer and biostimulant market. This is the success story of Tradecorp, which in its 30-year history has managed to increase its growth each year and bring solutions and services to more than 60 countries across the 5 continents. Tradecorp's key to success is found in the balance between value creation with effective, high-quality products and personalised technical support, based on the trust and proximity of our clients. To achieve this, we follow a strategy based around 5 pillars. Innovation. At Tradecorp, we work to make agriculture more productive, ecological and sustainable, and so produce more with less. Our investment of more than 5% of our turnover into R&D allows us to stay at the forefront of research, collaborating with universities and prestigious institutions. Our focus on innovation translates to more than 10 new products launched every year, especially biostimulants, which represent a high percentage of our sales. Factories and laboratories in Spain and Ireland. In our facilities, we monitor the whole production process, from development to manufacture, and we include regular quality controls throughout. In this way, we guarantee that the products we manufacture comply with the most demanding standards of quality and efficacy. In our Avila factory in Spain, we produce our chelates like Ultraferro and the Tradecorp AZ range, among many other products. Additionally, this is one of the few factories in the world capable of synthesizing the chelating agent EDDHA. In our Albacete factory, also in Spain, we produce our catalogue of liquid products, which includes ranges like Humifirst, Delphan and Trefos. Thanks to this factory's drying tower, we also produce solid forms of our products here. Our facility in Kilcar in Ireland provides preferential access to the Ascophyllum nodosum seaweed. Thanks to our sustainable harvesting and our unique gentle extraction process, our seaweed extract, Filgreen, preserves all the active ingredients present in the fresh seaweed, providing a unique extract for the development and manufacture of demonstrably effective biostimulants. The technology and flexibility of our factories allows us to produce a complete and differentiated catalogue of products, as well as create custom formulas for all our clients. Soundness and stability. With the support of the SAPEC Group and Bridgepoint, Tradecorp is part of SAPEC Agribusiness, a holding which covers crop nutrition and protection businesses. In 2017, Bridgepoint International Investment Fund acquired SAPEC Agribusiness, including Tradecorp, to further accelerate growth, take advantage of opportunities in new markets, and support new developments and agricultural solutions. Personalised technical support. More than 400 motivated and dedicated professionals make up the Tradecorp project. Of these, more than 60% are in the field, offering personalised technical support to distributors and farmers, with the aim of helping them obtain the maximum potential from their crops. To give this personalised service, we are now present in 18 countries through offices and local teams who communicate with our clients in their own languages and know the local agronomic characteristics. Commitment to sustainability. Respect of human and labour rights. Protection of human health. Conservation of the environment and sustainable use of natural resources are all completely integrated into our strategy. To this end, we comply with REACH, are founding members of EBEC, are certified with the ISO 14001, are members of Global Gap, are signatories to the United Nations Global Compact, and are committed to the development and manufacture of organic agricultural products. Quality, profitable, and sustainable agriculture.